Edgenuity users, I wanted to show you a few useful tips and tricks for using some of the extra materials that are in Edgenuity. So if you click on the name of the class itself and go into the class, you'll see here at the top of each lesson section, there is this little blue bar with the plus sign. If you expand that, you'll get to see the objectives, right? What's the point of this? The standards, those are the standards that they are related to, right? The bigger ideas. And then these transcripts. These are your way to be able to read along with the videos and just kind of get an idea about, what it's going to be about. Well, you can also control the language of the transcripts. So now if I actually go into that next activity, you'll see up video gets going right away. So you'll see up here on the right is the language English. That's the default. But if I click on it, I can convert it to a different language. And you'll see, right, I might still hear the language in the original speaker's language, but now it's changed the page, and you can click on this plus sign in the upper right hand corner, and you'll see a place where you can take e-notes. You'll see a glossary, and now it has converted some of it, right? But some of it you'll need to understand it in English. And the transcript, let's see, once we're in it, let's open it, and now let's convert the language because it worked before. Back to English. There we go. So it seems to help to open it before you translate it. And then now you can be able to read along as the video plays, and see it even tells you timestamps of where you're at in the video. So those are some extra supplemental materials designed to help you out in your classes. So make sure you're using that, looking for guided notes and things like that, because there's all kinds of things meant to help make your life easier in Edgenuity. See you online.